Good morning, students. I am a teacher from Premchand Memorial Public School. And student, today we are doing chapter number 5, that is playing with numbers. As you know, what is mean by playing with numbers? यानी numbers के साथ खेलना. आइए देखते हैं किस तरह से हम अपने मैथ्स में अपने numbers के साथ खेलते हैं. Generalized form of 2-digit and 3-digit number. So let us take the number 62 and write it as 62 60 plus 2. हम इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. Yes, we can. Okay. And is equal to 10 into 6 plus 2. हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं ना बच्चे. Now real learning funda. Here AB is equal to 10 into A plus B is equal to 10A plus B. So we can say BA is equal to 10 into B plus A is equal to 10B plus A. Therefore, AB does not mean A into B. Thus, AB is not equal to BA as 67 is not equal to 76. अगर उसको हम रिवर्स करेंगे. Got it, student? Now, number puzzles and game. आइए देखते हैं number puzzles and game. Come to page number 77, students. C. Choose 2-digit number. Okay. सुमित ने बोला choose 2-digit number and रोहित ने choose किया 49. Now reverse the digit to get a new number. उसने कहा उसको reverse करिए ताकि new number आपको मिले. उसने बोला okay I will. He gets 94. उसको reverse किया 94. Add this to the number you started with. अब उसने कहा जिससे आपने start किया था उसको इसमें add कर लो. यानी कि 49 plus 94 यानी 143. नाउ डिवाइड द आंसर बाय 11. उसने कहा इसको 11 से डिवाइड करो. ही गेट्स 13. देयर वोंट बी एनी रिमाइंडर. उसने बोला कोई रिमाइंडर नहीं बचाएगा. उसने बोला येस यू आर राइट बट हाउ डिड यू नो. उसने कहा आपको कैसे पता. नाउ वो बताएगा उसे कैसे पता. It so happened that Rohit chose the number 45. So he got the reverse number 94. Then he added these two numbers and got 49 plus 94 143. Finally he divided this number by 11 and got 143 plus divided by 11 is equal to 13 with no remainder. This is just what Sumit has predicted. अब जो सुमित ने बोला था अनुमान लगाया था वैसे ही हुआ. हाउ. नाउ लेट अस सी इफ वी कैन एक्सप्लेन सुमित्स ट्रिक. सपोज रोहित चूजेस द नंबर ए बी विच इज़ द शॉर्ट फॉर्म फॉर द 2-digit number 10A plus B. नाउ रिवर्सिंग द डिजिट ही गेट द नंबर BA is equal to 10B plus A. When he adds the two number he gets 10A plus B. 10B plus A is equal to 11A plus 11B is equal to 11A plus B. So the sum is always a multiple of 11. इसीलिए हमेशा मल्टीपल होता है 11 का. Just as Sumit has claimed. Observe that if we divide the sum by 11, the quotient is A plus B, which is exactly the sum of the digits of the chosen number A, B. You may check the same by taking another 2-digit number. अब वो कह रहा है आप इसको कोई और 2 नंबर लेके चेक कर सकते हैं. आप स्टूडेंट्स ये अपने किसी फ्रेंड के साथ ट्रिक आजमा के देखिएगा. Now subtraction. Here reverse the digit. On reversing the digit we get 10A 10B plus A. Subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Here we have to subtract the smaller number with the greater number. If the 10th digit of the original number is greater than its 1st digit, that is A is greater than B, then 10A plus B minus 10B plus A is equal to 10A plus B minus 10B minus A is equal to 9A minus 9B is equal to 9A minus B. Okay. If the 1st digit of the original number is greater than its 10th digit, that is B is greater than A, then this equation will form. Got it, student? Now, if both the 10th digit and the 1st digit of the original number आर इक्वल. अब वो कह रहे हैं जो अगर दोनों 10th digit और 1st digit और ओरिजिनल नंबर होंगे और इक्वल होंगे देन ए इज इक्वल टू बी. इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट? नाउ कम टू पेज नंबर 79. Now see example number 1. Here we have to find A and B in the following addition. अब हमें यहाँ पर इनको find करना है. We have to find A and B. So how we will find A? Suppose here we are having 5. Okay, अब यहाँ पर 8 है. So if we take here 1, if we say A is 1, then it will become 9. Then this is wrong. If we take it as a 2, it become 10. Again wrong. If we take it 3, 11, wrong. If we take it 4, then again wrong. If we take it 5, then again wrong. If we take it 6, it will wrong. If we take it as a 7, then 7 plus 8, 15, 5 and 1 will here. This is also 5. Then we can say 5 and 1 6. And here we are having 3. So we can say B is, what is B here? A is, if we say A is 7, then B is 5. That means 13, 3, 1. Is it clear student? A जो है हमें पहले ही पता था 7 है, तो यहाँ भी A होगा 7 ही होगा. Like this you have to do your exercise sum, and same will be here in addition. इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं बच्चे, आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन के ये सम्स पहले भी कर चुके हैं, जिसमें आपको फाइंड करना होता था. तब हमें एक स्टार मिलता था और यहाँ पर हमें एक अल्फ़ाबेट मिल रहा है. ओके, नाउ कम टू आवर एक्सरसाइज 5.1. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, राइट द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स इन जनरलाइज फॉर्म. अब हमें इनको जनरलाइज फॉर्म में करना है. नाउ लेट्स सी प्रैक्टिकली. सो स्टूडेंट 25 को हम कैसे लिखेंगे? वी विल राइट इट एज 10 into 2 plus 5 means 20 plus 5, 25. Got it student? Now let's see second one, that is 73. That means 70 plus 3. We can write it as 10 into 7 plus 3. Got it student? Now come to question number 2. Now see student, question number 2. Write the following in the usual form. अब हमें usual form में लिखना है. That means 10 into 5 plus 6. We can write it as 50 plus 6. That means 56. Is it clear student? This is very easy. Now here question number 3. Find the values of the letters in each of the following. Give reason for the steps involved. Now here we have to write what is A. Suppose A plus 5 is equal to 2. That means it becomes 5 plus 2 becomes 7. So we can say this will be, A will be 7. So 7 plus 5, 12. 3, 4, 5, 6. B will be 6. Is it clear student? This is very easy. Now see one multiplication sum, that is question 3, 7th one. Let's see it practically. See student, यहाँ पर कोई वैल्यू नहीं दे रखी है, तो हमें इसे खुद बताना है कि क्या होगा. So we can say B into 6 is equal to B. That means we can predict 4 into 6 is equal to 24. So B is equal to 4. So A into 6 is equal to BB. That means 7 into 6 plus 2 is equal to 44. That means this is B. So therefore A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 4. Is it clear student? I hope आपको clear हो गया होगा कि A है A into 6 is equal to BB, so 7 into 6 plus 2, that means 44 is equal to BB, and 7 is equal to A and B is equal to 4. Got it? Now come to next question students. Question number 4. The product of two digit numbers is 1675. The product of their one digit is 35 and that of their 10th digit is 12. Find the number. अब हमें नंबर फाइंड करना है बच्चे. This is like this only, like A and B is given. Okay, and we have to find out the two digits here. Okay, this you can do yourself, I know very well. Now come to page number 82 students. Take a number AB, double it and add 18 to the result. Take away 10 and divide it by 2. This is like a puzzle we have done at back page. Okay. Now question number C. Take a two-digit number AB and reverse its digit. Add them so that their sum becomes a three-digit number CAC. Let's do this question practically. Let's first read. Is CAC is a multiple of 11? Yes. Can A plus B exceed 18? No. Is CAC less than 198? Yes. Write all the three-digit number up to 198 which are multiples of 11. Find the values of A and C. That will be maybe 1. Let's see practically. Suppose the number is 38. Number after serving the digit is 83. Sum of these number is equal to 38 plus 83 is equal to 121. So that we can say yes, 121 is a multiple of 11. And 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, which is not exceed by 18. Yes, 121 is less than 198. 110, 121, 132, 143, 154, 165, 176, 187, 198 are the numbers which comes under 198. Values of A and C are 1 and 1 respectively. Is it clear students? Now come to next question. See, for the next three terms of the following sequences. Now इनकी next three terms आपको पता ही है बच्चे कैसे करना है. This is like a pattern question. You can do it, I know, and this question is like a Sudoku which you play in your mobile phones. Okay, this also you can do. Now here, fill in the missing number in the magic square. that every row, column and diagonal add up to 1 1 1. अब ये हमें यहाँ पे मैजिकल स्क्वायर है जिसे हमें फिल करना है. हम कैसे भी इसको ऐड करेंगे तो हमारे पास 1 1 1 आना चाहिए. दिस ऑल्सो आई नो यू कैन डू इट. Now here you have to use each digit 1 to 9 in only one of the circles so that the sum along each side of the triangle is 21. ऐसे यूज़ करना है कि जहाँ से भी उसका सम करे we get 21. This also you can do it. Now let's come to next exercise, that is divisibility test rules. Now let's see divisibility test rules. Now divisibility by 2. अब अगर हमें डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 2 चेक करनी है तो बच्चे यू ऑल नो हमें क्या करना होता है. अ नंबर इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 2 इफ़ इट्स यूनिट डिजिट इज़ इवन. अगर उसका यूनिट डिजिट जो होता है इवन होता है. इफ़ इट्स यूनिट डिजिट इज़ any of the digit 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For a number is in the generalized form, consider a 2-digit number AB. AB is equal to A, 10A plus B. 2 will always divide 10A. Therefore, 10A plus B will be divisible by 2 if B is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Consider a 3-digit number ABC. Now, ABC is equal to 100A plus 10B plus C. 2 will always divide 100A and 10B. Therefore, 100A plus 10B plus C will be divisible by 2 if C is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For example, 22, 34, 8, 0, 2, 8, 98, 140, 246 all are divisible by 2. हम ये सारे नंबर बोल सकते हैं 24, 22, 34, 98, 140, 246 divisible by 2. Now let's see divisibility of 3. Come to page number 83 students. See divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. अगर उसका सम जो है divisible by 3 है that is divisible by 3. हम ये सारी चीज़ें बच्चे अपनी प्रीवियस क्लासेस में सीख चुके हैं. नाउ डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 5. अ नंबर इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 5 इफ़ इट्स यूनिट डिजिट इज़ ईदर 0 और 5. ये भी हम जानते हैं अगर उसका लास्ट का डिजिट 0 और 5 है तो. नाउ डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 9. अ नंबर इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 9 इफ़ द सम ऑफ इट्स डिजिट इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 9. अगर उसका सम जो है डिविजिबल है 9 से तो वो भी नंबर डिविजिबल है 9 से. Now divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its unit digit is 0. अगर उसका unit digit 0 है that means it is divisible by 10. Now let's see exercise 5.2. First question number 1. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? So it is having 8. It is divisible by 2. This is also divisible. This is not divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2. Is it clear, student? Now, question number 3. Which of the following number are divisible by 3? So, what we will do? We will add. Here, we will add 9 plus 0 plus 6. So, we will get 15. So, 15 is divisible by 3. Yes, 3 5s are 15. So, we can say this number is divisible by 3. Like this, you have to do. Now, which of the following number are divisible by 5? Now, let's see this question number 3 practically. So, this also we can say that here we are having 3. So, this is not divisible by 3 because if we having a 0 or 5 in our units place, then it will divisible by 5. This will divisible by 5. This will divisible by 5. This will not divisible by 5. And here 9. If we talk about 9, then we will add all 3 plus 2 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1. Then it comes 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 9 14. 14 plus 3 17 plus 1 18. Yes, it is divisible by 9 we can say. Okay, now let's see question number 7 and you will do same question number 5 and 6 as we do question number 7. And hint is also given, since 24x is a multiply of Multiple of 3 is sum of digits 6 plus x is a multiple of 3. So 6 plus x is one of these numbers 0, 3, 6, 12, 15, 18. But since x is a digit, it can only be that 6 plus x is equal to 6 or 9 or 12 or 15. Therefore, x is equal to 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. Thus, x can have any of 4 different values. Now, let's see question number 7 practically. Now, sum of the digits is equal to 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to 6 plus x. We can say 6 plus x will be divisible by 3 if and only if x is equal to 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. Like this, you have to do question number 5 and 6 also. Got it, student? Now, come to next page, that is page number 84. So student, these questions are same as we done question number 7 and hints are also given. You have to get the idea from the hints. Okay, now question number 13 and 14 is little different. Let's see. If the division and divided by 2 leaves no remainder, that is 0 remainder, what might be the ones digit of n? That will be maybe 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Okay. Now, suppose that the division n divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 4 and the division n divided by 2 leaves a remainder 1. What must be the ones digit of n? क्या होगा? It comes 9. Got it, student? Student, today we have done chapter number 5. If you are having any difficulty while doing this chapter, please text me. I am there to help you. Okay, student? और आपको पहले क्या करना है? आपको ये चैप्टर पहले अपनी रफ नोटबुक में सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करनी है. Okay? And after getting answer sheet, do your work in your school notebook, but neatly, and submit in school whenever I ask you to submit. All the best, students. Have a nice day.